Hey there. For every 100 such bottles, only 8 of them are recycled in my country. So the probability of this one getting recycled is probably really low. Clearly, this situation is not getting any better. And it is important for us to therefore realize that our planet is not a form of inheritance from our parents, but rather is a loan that we must repay to our future generations. This was my inspiration behind the initiative Collaborate to Conserve. But let me introduce myself first. I am Ronith LAHOTI, a grade 12 student passionate about chemistry. But apart from that, I'm also an equestrian and love drumming. And most importantly, I am an environmental crusader. And why do I call myself that? Because I believe that environmental crusaders aren't only responsible for spreading awareness, but inducing action. And that's what we have done over the past 2 years when it comes to plastic management and greening the environment. Me and my team of 5 were able to grow these initiatives through a simple principle, leading by example. And we started this over 2 years ago with our first endeavor, Plastic Warriors. Originally, the initiative Plastic Warriors started out when I got together with my classmate Rajveer Jadhav and a junior of mine, Arsh Mutta, and we were able to collect over 200 kilograms of plastic from my school. But we didn't really know what to do with this much plastic. So then we got along with more of our friends, Ronith Shende, Vivan Ranka, and Rian Loda. And then we were able to reach out to a plastic recycling facility called Rudra Blue Solutions. There we got to learn about the awesome chemistry that takes place in the conversion of plastic into polyfuel and tar. So with this knowledge and a bit more plastic that we collected from local restaurants, we were able to use over 300 kilograms of plastic to create a tar road, a 4-kilometer stretch from my school to a local village. We call ourselves the Plastic Warriors now, and this has become the flagship of Collaborate to Conserve, the larger initiative. You can learn more about our work on www.plasticwarriors.in. And as for the green initiative, well, that was a passion I developed with my friend and team member, Ronith Shende, with whom I was then able to build this beautiful medicinal garden that has over 25 different medicinal plant species. And the best part about it is that it's right next to our chemistry and biology lab. So students can actually come and experience learning in the form of botany. Apart from that, we were also able to greenify all of this land. And this patch as well. All in all, we planted over 150 trees. But it wasn't my team who planted all of these trees. Rather, we mobilized 140 students from my school to take part in this initiative. Collaborate to Conserve is my lifelong mission. But what is my final destination? Well, ideally, it is a world where there is a complete eradication of plastic.